Embrace the simplicity of your true nature, the unadulterated state of I am, a seamless beingness that is eternally present. This is the essence of Satchitananda, existence, consciousness, bliss. Recognize that you are inherently whole, beyond the transient dance of thoughts, emotions, sensations, and perceptions. In this recognition, let go of attachments, identifications, and entanglements with the ever-changing phenomena of samsara. When the mind drifts, gently redirect your awareness to the pure awareness of I, the undivided consciousness. In doing so, you are not adding to your being, but simply shedding the illusory layers that obscure it. It's not about acquiring or striving. It's about resting in your innate being, unencumbered by the superfluous. This is the practice of just being, a state unclouded by the ephemeral, where your true nature as undifferentiated consciousness shines forth. In this stillness, discover the profound peace and bliss that is your fundamental essence.